Welcome to Embrace Your Mind. Today, we're diving into the vibrant, sweet, and fascinating world of raspberries. Get ready to discover some surprising facts about this beloved fruit that will leave you craving more. Let's get started. Raspberries thrive in well-drained soil with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5, making soil preparation crucial for healthy growth. They are highly adaptable, but should not be planted in areas where tomatoes, potatoes, or peppers were previously grown, due to the risk of verticillium wilt. Raspberry plants can be propagated through suckers, which are shoots that grow from the parent plant's roots. The biennial life cycle of raspberry canes means they grow vegetatively in their first year and produce fruit in the second year. Primo cane fruiting varieties yield fruit on new canes within the first year, while floricane fruiting varieties only produce fruit on second-year canes. Vertical farming techniques allow raspberries to be cultivated year-round using artificial lighting and hydroponics. Raspberry plants need consistent watering but should not sit in waterlogged soil to avoid root rot. Mulching around raspberry plants helps retain soil moisture and suppress weeds, but overwatering should be avoided when mulch is used. Some raspberry varieties are thornless, making harvesting easier and less painful. Trellising raspberry plants is essential to prevent their canes from sprawling and ensure better air circulation and sunlight exposure. Raspberries are invasive and spread quickly through underground runners, requiring careful management to avoid overcrowding. The fruit's sweetness is measured by its Brix level, with higher levels indicating sweeter berries. Some indoor-grown raspberries reach up to 12 dgBx. Raspberry cultivation indoors can achieve yields comparable to outdoor farming, but requires precise climate control and pruning techniques. The delicate fruit is often consumed fresh, but is also popular for jams, jellies, desserts, and liqueurs, due to its rich flavor profile. Raspberry plants are relatively disease-resistant, but still require proper spacing to reduce the risk of fungal infections. Native to Eastern Asia, raspberries have become an economically significant crop in Europe and North America. Raspberry flowers are pollinated primarily by bees, which benefit from their nectar-rich blossoms during rainy weather. Black raspberries, Rubus occidentalis, have higher antioxidant levels than red varieties, making them particularly nutritious. Golden raspberries are rare and prized for their unique sweetness and mild flavor compared to other varieties. Raspberry plants require cold winter dormancy for optimal flowering and fruit production during the growing season outdoors. Raspberries have been enjoyed since the Paleolithic era, when our cave-dwelling ancestors first stumbled upon them. The fruit is part of the rose family, sharing its lineage with roses, apples, and cherries. The name raspberry originates from the 15th century word raspis, meaning a sweet, rose-colored wine. According to Greek mythology, raspberries were originally white. The nymph Ida pricked her finger while picking them for baby Zeus, staining them red forever. There are over 200 species of raspberries worldwide, including red, black, purple, and golden varieties. Golden raspberries are sweeter than their red cousins and are considered a delicacy. Each raspberry is made up of tiny bead-like fruits called drupelets, with an average raspberry containing 100 to 120 seeds. Raspberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, manganese, and dietary fiber, making them a nutritional powerhouse. Their high levels of anthocyanins help prevent brain damage and memory loss associated with aging. Native Americans used raspberries for medicinal purposes long before Europeans arrived in the Americas. Raspberry nectar can boost honey production by 60 to 100%, making it a favorite among beekeepers. A unique feature of raspberry flowers is their downward-facing structure, which provides bees shelter during rain while they collect nectar. Red and yellow raspberries belong to the same species, but black raspberries are from a different one entirely. Serbia ranks as the fourth largest producer of raspberries globally, despite its small size as a country. In Russian folklore, raspberries symbolize happiness and good fortune. There's even a proverb translating to "life is raspberry." Raspberries contain polyphenols that may help reduce the risk of certain cancers and cardiovascular diseases. They're also known for their anti-inflammatory properties and ability to boost the immune system when included in a balanced diet. Raspberry plants can live up to 10 years, but produce their best fruit in the second and third years of growth. Unlike many fruits, raspberries don't ripen after being picked. They're at their peak when harvested fresh from the bush. The United States is one of the top producers of raspberries, with Washington State leading the way domestically. An old German myth suggests that tying a wild raspberry twig around a bewitched horse would tame it instantly due to its magical properties. Raspberry leaves have been used in herbal teas for centuries to aid digestion and support women's health during pregnancy and childbirth. In addition to red varieties, black raspberries are prized for their intense flavor and higher antioxidant content. Raspberries are technically aggregate fruits because each drupeole develops from an individual ovary. The botanical name for raspberry, Rubus idaeus, translates to bramble bush of Ida, referencing Mount Ida in Greek mythology. Raspberry juice was historically used as a natural dye for textiles and artwork. A single acre of raspberry plants can yield up to 6,000 pounds of fruit annually under ideal conditions. Raspberries are one of the few fruits that can grow successfully in colder climates due to their hardiness. They're incredibly versatile in culinary uses, perfect for desserts, jams, smoothies, salads, or even savory dishes. Raspberry fruit acids are believed to help alleviate hangovers by rehydrating the body and restoring balance. Raspberries aren't just delicious, they're packed with history, nutrition, and unexpected stories. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Embrace Your Mind for more fascinating content that feeds your curiosity every week.